In this video, we'll reveal a huge mistake that roofing salespeople make when a customer asks about a shingle brand that they don't typically install and what you should do instead to build trust and close more sales. I'm Aaron Santos, and over the last 20 years, I've grown multiple multi-million-dollar retail and roofing businesses from 0 to over 7 and even 8 figures. I've seen firsthand how this common mistake can damage relationships with potential customers and cost them sales. For example, have you ever had a homeowner ask if you install a certain brand of shingles, but that brand isn't your preferred product? When this happens, many times contractors will launch into what we call roofsplaining and start bombarding the customer with all the reasons why the brand that they asked about is inferior, and they often do it in a condescending way. This causes the homeowner to either politely tune out or get irritated, feeling that you're imposing your own agenda on them. Either way, you're not educating them or building value. This is a lose-lose situation. So, what should you do instead? Number 1, get curious. Ask them what they like about the other brand. This will reveal the quality and benefits that they value, which you can then use to potentially guide them to better options. You could say, "That's one of the products available to us. What features about it appeal to you?" After they share with you, you can follow up with, "Where did you learn about that product?" Then you can get permission to show them other options by saying something like, "I'm not sure what the best fit will be until I gather some more information. But if there was a product that provided even better versions of the features that you like, would you want to know about it?" The key takeaway is, when you tell, you repel. So don't roofsplain. Instead, be a consultant. Get curious about their needs, then ask permission to share options that could be an even better fit. If you want more scripts and techniques to masterfully handle customer objections and close more sales, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Then check out the link in the description where you can schedule a free game plan session with one of our experts.